Rahim. Today we are going to solve numericals from dynamics. A force of 20 Newton moves a body with an acceleration of 2 meter per second per second. What is its mass? Solution. Given data, F is equal to 20 Newton is equal to 2 meter per second and we have to find the mass required. From second law of motion, we know that F is equal to ma. This implies A is equal to F over m. No, and m is equal to F over A. Now putting the values, we got 20 over 2, which is equal to 10 kilogram. M is equal to 10 kilogram. Question number 2 is, the weight of a body is 147 Newton. What is its mass? Given data, W is equal to 147 Newton. Required mass M. We know that W is equal to mass M into G, gravitational acceleration. We know G is equal to 10 meter per second per second. Now we release mass here. M is equal to W over G. Now by putting the values, we get M is equal to 147 over 10, which is equal to 14.7 kilogram. M is equal to 14.7 kilogram. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel, share my videos, like my videos. If you have any question in your mind, please write in the comment box. Thank you.